Hello, welcome to Simple Home Magic. Let's make yellow curd in 2 minutes.
Add half a teaspoon of turmeric to the curd. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of cumin powder to the curd. Again, mix it well. Take a 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 green chilies, and a handful of coriander leaves. Crush them really well. Do not add any water. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now add the crushed mixture and stir it until the raw smell goes away. Lower the flame and add the curd mixture into the pan. Stir it gently for 1 minute until everything is mixed nicely. Your yellow curd is ready to serve.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.